If your mornings look like a snooze fest, you're a Clocky candidate. Ready to chase your wake-up call? Imagine this. It's 7 a.m., your alarm goes off, but instead of just buzzing, it jumps off your nightstand and starts zooming around your room. That's right, Clocky is the cheeky little alarm that makes you chase it to turn it off. No more endless snoozing, no more late mornings. You'll be diving out of bed, chasing Clocky like it's the last donut on Earth. Perfect for those who struggle to wake up or anyone looking to add some fun to their mornings. So, are you ready to run? Comment below if you'd give Clocky a try and never oversleep again.